How to disable where to save files on Google Chrome. Most of the time, if you want to save file on Google Chrome, it comes out to require a place to save it, but you want to disable this setting. It is very simple. The first thing is to do that, make sure that you have a Google Chrome browser installed on your computer. Once you've installed the Google Chrome browser, click on these three dots at top right corner. Once you click on it, then go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on the settings, then come to this side, this left side, until you see the download button. Click on it. Now here you have two options. Ask where to save each file before downloading, and show downloading when they've done. So if this one is enabled, it means each time you want to download on your Google Chrome browser, it will ask a specific location to save the file you want to download. And if it is toggled off, it then, once you click on download button, it downloads directly to this place. You can see that user your computer name, then download button, it downloads straight to that place. And if you want to change that place, you can click on this button, then locate for a specific place you want to save and save your download. So guys, I will leave it as default, which is download. This is the same process guys on how to change or how to disable. Ask where to save each file downloading on Google Chrome browser. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.